welcome back to a brand new vlog. Anali. We are on our way to Arizona. So it is 2 o'clock right now, and I think we're gonna be there like around 5. We have Alex and Justin and Lizette in the back. They're also going. So if we don't catch any traffic, which most likely we probably will. That's a good way to call it.
There's a lot.
Oh, see.
Papi, there's a lot. That looks like a lot of gas.
I know.
There's a lot of money.
Say hi to the vlog, guys.
Hi, guys. There's a lot of
Here, show them.
fans. Look, you see it, guys? There's a lot of fans. There's a lot. You see them? It's too far for you, huh? You see them? The other one is stuck because it don't have some batteries. You see them? That one down. You see? Okay, I have to get this to my mommy.
You're good, Mama, with the camera or what? We officially made it in Arizona. We got like an hour and a half left until we get to Phoenix. And so far we're doing good. I'm watching Vicky's not very far, and my friend is Elizabeth and Stasia. We came to a rest area. Right now we came to a rest area because we had to go to the restroom, and we're already heading back on the road. It's just quick stuff.
¿Qué sucede? Acabo de conocer una mujer. ¡Qué rico!
So we made it, guys, to the house that we are renting out for the weekend. Espérate, ven. Here's the kitchen. Here is the dining room, the living room. Here is the king bedroom that we are having because we're sharing the bed with the kids. Here's like a little miniature walk-in closet. Can you turn on the light?
What is that?
It's a closet, Mommy.
Oh, I thought it was the restroom.
Hi, Ned. And then over here is the restroom. It is so... What you cabrones? Shower. And then here, there's another room here. Which this is probably Alex's room. That's Lizette's room.
Turn it on.
There has to have lights.
That's it? The lights is that one. The motion? This one right there? It feels good though, no? Is it cool? I don't know. Get in there.
Look at this. Eh?
Cool. Can I see the video? The video sound in there?
Are you gonna be a Mandy? Are you gonna be a Mandy? Because if you are, I got you.
See one.
I'm on the train.
Bien macho alpha. You can't.
And all these niggas are my macho liars.
I know.
Oh, wait for sure. Put that documentary right there. You're gonna do the whip.
You want to do the whip?
Vlog wins. He knows where he fits. So we're still going to shoot that video tomorrow for the ball?
No, don't.
Take back.
What's up, what? That's for the vlog. Do it for the vlog. Hell no.
Hey, what's my name? Hey, do it for the light. Do it for the light.
Hey, no.
Yeah, duck lifting. What's up, some duck lifting? Hey, you ain't broke my heart. Maybe that's your son, nigga. I don't know. Hey, but that's your cousin, man.
Hey guys, so I'm right here with Jasmine.
Hey, what about you?
And we're coloring.
No, not for Alex though.
She's doing some kid stuff while we're doing some adult stuff.
If your mom never stopped you, like fuck.
Good morning, guys. It is the next day. We're getting ready. I think we're gonna go eat breakfast right now. What time is it? It is 9:10, and the kids are outside right now, and Justin's in the pool. And I'm just getting ready really quickly. California be tripping with their gas prices. We're pumping gas, and the gas here is really cheap. It's like $2.73, I think. And in California, that thing is like $3.40 something. So the gas is definitely cheaper here. Breakfast right now, we haven't ate. It's exactly 10:30. What? 32. And we haven't ate anything, so we're gonna go eat breakfast. We came to eat to Denny's, and we're waiting. Say hi.
Hello.
Napkins. Ismael is sleeping, so he is not. Oh, bad lighting. He's sleeping, so I can't put him in the pool yet, but they're out there. So why are we here, guys?
Because the guys forgot.
They forgot to get all the stuff for... They only thought about
beer and meat. And they still want us to buy more beer.
Yeah, more beer. Which is ridiculous. So, are you like making the salsa? Yeah. Yes, I'm making the salsa.
Salsa here?
I know. No, they do. It's pico de gallo.
That's not salsa.
Right?
Yes, I'll make it.
November 27th.
November? Are you guys the same zodiac?
No, I think she's we're gonna get Starbucks. Are you getting anything, Liz? Yeah. What are you getting? I'm getting oh, fuck, this is gonna fall off. Caramel. With extra caramel? No, not extra caramel. You suck. I like things like coffee. Oh. But I like mixed fruit. Yeah? I still don't. I like to keep it sitting for a while and then I drink it. It tastes better. It tastes better when it's sitting, I think.
Not the other side.
Yeah.
We're gonna have to
Finally leaving. After like, damn, they literally no hemos salido de la pinche tienda all day.
I know.
Because we like them.
We're at Walmart for like ever. And then we get there and the guys are like, you guys took forever.
Yeah.
You guys took forever.
So we're gonna have a carne asada and...
Hi, baby. I can take some of this trash out. Mom,
Yes, baby.
I'll make it a cup.
¿Quieres un vaso para qué?
They're using the
Whoa, there's some rocks.
What did he ask you? What rock? There's a pull on some rock.
The fireman over there. He has
Hey, that's
Hey. Like untapped.
Papinel.
Ahí quedó, compadre, ¿cómo no es ahorita?
Oh my gosh, what is that?
Eso es como se le encargue las muchachas. Seguimos complaciendo.
How much is it waterproof?
We're gonna have some drinks. Lizette figured it out because obviously we didn't know, or Jasmine didn't know how to make it. She didn't know how to make it, so. Wait, you gotta go make mine. Go make mine. No te sientes.
Just a little bit more because I had already put them in there.
Okay, but ¿me echas hielo? Before or after?
After.
Oh, okay. We need like tequila. 6 shots of tequila.
And just like a little bit of Sprite.
Even though I don't, yeah, but what do they have? Say hi, Jasmine.
Hello.
Tell them where we're at.
Arizona.
We're in Arizona. We're on vacation.
Finally.
Okay.
Oh, I forgot to add sugar.
You had sugar? No
I
wonder
added
you made it sweet.
Yeah. You can like it sweet.
Here, look.
Yeah. But oh, can you pick it up, please? So that.
No, don't do that.
Haven't vlogged you all day. How are you feeling? How are you feeling?
Amazing.
Are you gonna get in the pool?
No.
Cheers to a great vacation. Go on. The last night here, guys.
Really cold.
There was a lot.
Like they boiled that shit.
Trying to get some more coffee.
So everybody already left and the house has to be cleaned. She's like even cleaning. Acá, bebé.
Allá. Okay.
She's doing this all on her own will. I promise you. Good morning, guys. Welcome back. Today is Sunday. And we are finally heading back to California. Well, today we're leaving. But right now we're gonna go to a friend's house. A friend's house for a little bit before we leave. But we had to come to Target because he didn't have a shirt and I didn't have, well, the shorts that I had, the shorts that I had were apparently ripped, so we came to get some shorts. And you know what, Target? mami. Mis shorts están rompidos.
Vanessa, what you doing? Okay, what was that?
Cutting limon. Where you put it like that? Well, because I'm cutting it, maybe le salen más. Yeah. Because the other ones no le salían. Yeah?
Are they the pico de gallo? Oh, we should probably put just that one for the yeah.
Oh, no.
And then you think I'm putting there?
Okay. Very nice.
It's not me, it's him. Only the best. Yeah, for his child.
For you, the off-ramp.
Yeah, for you.
So we're finally going home, guys. It is 2:46 in the afternoon. Yeah, shortcut. I thought she was gonna be a shortcut.
Huh?
It's 2:46.
Look, I got this AKK lighter. See, you try to do this. But you have to, first you have to turn it off and then you have to put it on, okay?
Both of the babies are sleeping. This is, oh gosh, Nell is like super. We had to stop to pump gas. We stopped to pump gas and we got some goodies. And on the way here, we got some really bad suicide butterflies. So there he is, cleaning, cleaning it. How are you guys? Hey guys, we're back in California. Woo-hoo. California land, guys. California land. Is your chocolate good? Because you're
Delicious, guys. I recommend this Reese's another bar.
That's so disgusting. Those are like nutty
Delicious,
bars.
yeah.
This is how you know young California man is so green. Yeah, right. That's so dry.